Class, welcome back. We are in chapter 4, table in MS Word, and in previous class we have studied what is table and how we can insert it in our MS Word. While we insert table, we should not worry about the exact number of row and column, because एक बार टेबल इंसर्ट करने के बाद भी हम अपनी ज़रूरत के अकॉर्डिंग उसमें रोज़ एंड कॉलम ऐड कर सकते हैं, और सिमिलरली एक्स्ट्रा रो एंड कॉलम बच गया है तो उसे रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. सो आवर टुडेज टॉपिक्स आर इंसर्टिंग ऑफ रोज़ एंड कॉलम इन आवर टेबल and deleting of rows and column from our table, and the second topic is merging of cells. Merging means grouping. So one by one we do it practically. While we insert the page widthwise, but we can make it smaller or larger according to our need with the same number of rows and column with the help of resize handle, and this resize handle appears in the lower right corner of the table and it appears as a small rectangle. Then the other one handle is move handle. Using this handle we can move our table anywhere in the page, and it appears on the upper left corner of the table and it appears as plus sign. We will insert one table in our MS Word document. For this we will click on which tab? Insert tab, table option, and insert table sub option. Number of column 5 and number of rows 2. Now click OK. Now a table appears with 5 column and 2 rows. See, the table having 2 handles. In upper left corner this is called move handle, and in lower right corner this is called resize handle. Now we will use, I have to make the small our table, so I will drag it inside of the table. See, the table becomes smaller with 5 column and 2 rows. Similarly, with using move handle we can move our table anywhere in our document like this. Okay, our topic is inserting column. The steps are: click the cursor where we want the new column, and then click on layout tab and insert left or insert right option. Because see, a column is vertical one, so it can be inserted only left side or only right side, not above or below. So we will select only insert left or insert right. Now inserting rows, the steps are same. Place the cursor where we want a new row, click on layout tab and click on insert above or insert below option. Insert above or insert below, because row is a horizontal one, that's why. Same way we can delete extra row or column from our table. Place the cursor where we have to remove column and row and click on layout tab, then click on delete row or delete column option. Now we will insert new row in our table. So first I will place the cursor anywhere in the table and click on layout tab and click on insert above or insert below. This is insert below, this one insert above. See, a new row appears in our table. Similarly we can insert column. First we will place the cursor anywhere. Now I will click layout tab, and this time we will select insert left or insert right, because this is column. I will select insert left. See, now our table having 6 column. Previous it was having only 5 column. Now we can delete our row and column in same way. First I will select the keep the cursor. Now I will click on layout tab and delete option. See, 4 sub options appear: delete cell, delete column, delete row, delete table. Whatever we want to delete, we can select. See, now our 6th column is deleted, removed. Now again our table having only 5 column. In this way you can delete the row also, or you can delete your entire table. Now we will learn about merging of cells. Merging means combining. Combining 2 or more cells in a row or in a column is called merging. Okay, see, this is the row having 3 boxes or 3 cells. Now after merging or combining, it become one box. Similarly, this is the column with 3 box or 3 cells. After combining or merging, it becomes one cell. Now we do it practically. The next topic is merging of cells. Suppose we have to make date sheet. So first I will insert some more rows. So first I will place the cursor, click on layout tab and click on insert above or insert below, or how many times you will click, that many times the rows are inserted in your table. Now I will merge all the cells of the first row. So first I will select all the cells of the first row with using shift plus right arrow key. Okay, now I will click on layout tab and click on merge option, layout tab and merge cells. See, first row of the table is merged. Now I will type the title of the table like date sheet. Date sheet of PA1. Now I will place all the text in the center of the table. Click on home tab and click on center alignment. See, in this way you can make your table. So this is the class for today. Goodbye for this class.